Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Honda Odyssey front bumper. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth experience. We'll cover everything from gathering your tools to safely detaching the bumper. It's a straightforward task that can be completed with basic hand tools and a little patience. Let's get started and make this project easy for you. Before you begin, gather your tools. You'll need a flat blade screwdriver, a panel removal tool, and both 8mm and 10mm sockets with a ratchet. Once your tools are ready, open the hood of your Odyssey. Locate and carefully remove the numerous plastic clips along the top edge of the bumper and grille area. There are typically around 11 of these clips, which often require prying up a center pin before removal. Next, move to the sides of the vehicle. At each front wheel well, remove the 2 Phillips head screws connecting the bumper to the fender. Gently peel back the fender liner to reveal additional fasteners. You will find one 10mm bolt and one 8mm bolt inside each fender area that need to be removed. Then, crawl underneath the front of the vehicle. Here, you will remove approximately 4 to 6 plastic clips and several 10mm bolts, securing the bumper to the undercarriage. With all fasteners removed, the bumper is almost free. If your Odyssey has fog lights or parking sensors, reach in and carefully disconnect their electrical connectors. Now, with the help of an assistant, gently pull the bumper straight away from the vehicle. It will release from several remaining clips and hooks. Place the bumper on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps, ensuring all clips and bolts are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.